Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create scrolling text like news in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up the project I have just created in my CapCut Mobile application. This one, I'm going to open up this project, and for example, I'm going to create the scrolling text effect for this video. And if we want to create scrolling text like news effect, we can add our text. You can go to the text and then select add text. And then I'm just going to type in the text. I'm going to add to my video. I'm just going to paste my text because I have already copied the text. Okay, and wait. I'm just going to click on the X icon and then we can make it smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can create the scrolling text like news effect. But before it, you can do styling for your text. If you want to change your text, if you want to change the style, you can go to the style, and here you can change the font, change the effect, add background for your text, and it's up to you. You can adjust it according to your needs. But wait, I'm just going to extend the text. Okay. And to create this scrolling effect, we're going to use keyframe. We can put keyframe on our text. Just click on the text like this and then click on this keyframe icon like this guys, and then we can adjust it one by one. I'm going to move it like this, and you can go to the end part of your text, and then we can move it to the left or to the right. It's up to you. Okay, just like this. Okay, and now it's done guys, and let's see the final result. As you can see that the scrolling text like news has been created on my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling text like news on CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.